Hello students, in this video we will see one more form of equation of straight line called parametric form or distance form or symmetric form. For that we consider this straight line which goes through point P having coordinates x1, y1 and which makes an angle theta with the positive x-axis. What will be equation of line? Equation will be y minus y1 is equal to tan theta multiplied by x minus x1. I am using here point slope form. Now we can write the equation in this form: x minus x1 upon cos theta is equal to y minus y1 upon sin theta. This is called symmetric form of this equation. We will have symmetric form of equation of straight line in 3D geometry also, in 3-dimensional system. Okay, this is very common form called symmetric form. Now suppose this is equal to r. R is real number. So from this we get x is equal to x1 plus r cos theta and y is equal to y1 plus r sin theta. Here x comma y are coordinates of any point on this straight line. Okay, and coordinates of that point are x1 plus r cos theta comma y1 plus r sin theta. Here x1 y1 are fixed, also angle theta is fixed, so r is parameter. यहाँ पे parameter r हो जाएगा, ठीक है ना? These two equations together are called parametric equations of this straight line. X is equal to x1 plus r cos theta, y is equal to y1 plus r sin theta, where r is parameter. Okay, so this is parametric equation, this is symmetric equation. Okay, now we have distance form. क्यों कहते हैं इसको distance form, ये समझते हैं. Now what is exactly value r? What parameter r represents? कुछ geometrical interpretation होगा. To understand this, we find the distance of point P from the point on the line whose coordinates are x1 plus r cos theta and y1 plus r sin theta. We consider point Q here on the line whose coordinates are x1 plus r cos theta comma y1 plus r sin theta. Okay. Now we find distance between these 2 points. Using distance formula, we get PQ is equal to square root of this minus x1 whole square, means r square cos square theta, plus this minus y1 whole square, means r square sin square theta, and this is equal to modulus of r. That means modulus of parameter represents distance of this variable point on the line from the point P. P is given point. We can take any real value of r. For different values of r, we get different points on the line, and distance of those points from the fixed point P is modulus of r, modulus of parameter. Now if we consider r to be positive, we have point Q here above point P on the coordinate plane. Now there will be exactly 2 points on the straight line whose distance from point P will be r. इस लाइन के ऊपर कितने पॉइंट्स होंगे जिसका डिस्टेंस पॉइंट P से r यूनिट्स होगा? There will be 2 points, 1 point here and 1 point here. ठीक है ना? दोनों साइड पे एक एक पॉइंट होगा. Suppose this is point r. Okay, then coordinates of this point will be x1 minus r cos theta comma y1 minus r sin theta. ठीक है ना? Here we are considering r to be positive. So there will be 2 points on this straight line whose distance from point P is r. Coordinates are x1 plus minus r cos theta comma y1 plus minus r sin theta. In this we consider r to be positive. Here r is distance of those 2 points from point P. ठीक है ना? This is a geometrical interpretation of parameter r. तो मोस्टली हम यहाँ पे r का वैल्यू जो है वो पॉजिटिव कंसिडर करते हैं, जिससे हमें साइन को लेके कोई कंफ्यूजन ना रहे. Now let's test some questions based on this and let's see how important this tool is. ये कितना strong tool है coordinate geometry में, ये समझते हैं. We have this question to start with. Find the points on the straight line 3x minus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0 whose distance from point 2 comma 3 is 5 units. Now here clearly this point lies on the given straight line. This point satisfies this equation. Okay. Now on the line we have to find the coordinates of 2 points which are at distance 5 units from this point. इस लाइन के ऊपर 2 पॉइंट्स होंगे जिसका डिस्टेंस इस पॉइंट से 5 यूनिट्स होगा. ये पॉइंट लाइन के ऊपर है, हमें उन 2 पॉइंट्स के कोऑर्डिनेट्स निकालने हैं. सो हियर वी हैव द स्ट्रेट लाइन 3x minus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. There is no need to draw the diagram on the coordinate plane. Okay. बट हम यहाँ पे कुछ सीख रहे हैं इसलिए डायग्राम को प्लेन पे ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. Now we have point 2, 3 on this line. We will have 2 points at distance 5 units from this point. This is point P, fixed point on the line. Okay. हमें points Q and R के coordinates निकालने हैं. क्या होंगे इनके coordinates? Point Q is lying above point P, so coordinates of point Q will be, I will use this formula, x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin theta. Okay. In this formula, put the values. We have x1 is equal to 2. Okay. R is equal to 5. How you get value of cos theta? Theta is inclination of line with the positive x-axis. We have slope of line tan theta is equal to 3 upon 4, where theta is inclination of this line with positive x-axis. Okay. From this we get cos theta is equal to 4 upon 5 and sin theta is equal to 3 upon 5. Okay. So put the values here. We have 2 plus 5 multiplied by cos theta. Cos theta is 4 upon 5, comma y1 is 3. So we have 3 plus 5 multiplied by 3 upon 5. So coordinates of point Q are 6, 6. Point Q के coordinate 6, 6 होंगे. इस point का इस point से distance जो है वो 5 units होगा. Now how you get coordinates of point R? Point R is lying below point P. नीचे की तरफ है. Okay. So we find the coordinates using this formula. We replace here plus sign by minus sign. We have x1 minus r cos theta, comma y1 minus r sin theta. Okay. So coordinates of point R will be 2 minus 4, comma 3 minus 3. Coordinates will be minus 2, comma 0. ठीक है ना? तो अगर हम कोऑर्डिनेट प्लेन पे जब ड्रॉ करते हैं, गिवन डेटा को प्लॉट करते हैं, तो हमें समझ में आता है कि कौन से पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या होंगे. लेट्स टेक वन मोर क्वेश्चन. We have this one. Find the points on the straight line 5x plus 12y plus 3 is equal to 0 whose distance from point minus 3 comma 1 is 13 units. Clearly this point lies on the given straight line. This point satisfies this equation. Okay. So we draw this line. Slope of this line is negative. Slope is tan theta is equal to minus 5 upon 12. Okay. And when slope is negative, cos is negative and sin is positive. जब slope negative होता है तो sin positive होता है, cos negative होता है, because here angle theta is angle of second quadrant. So we get cos theta is equal to minus 12 upon 13. We have Pythagoras triplet 5, 12, 13. Okay. And sin theta is equal to 5 upon 13. Okay. We have x1 y1 is equal to minus 3 comma 1. X1 is minus 3, y1 is 1. Okay. And value of r is equal to 13. We have 2 points on this line at distance 13 from this point. We have point Q above point P, this is point P, and point R below point P. So coordinates of point Q will be x1 plus r cos theta, comma y1 plus r sin theta. This will be coordinates of point Q. Okay, क्या होंगे coordinates? -3, -12, -15, okay, comma 1 plus 5, 6. So we have coordinates of point Q. Distance between these 2 points will be 13 units. And coordinates of point R will be, we put here minus sign. We have -3 plus 12, comma 1 minus 5. So coordinates will be 9, comma -4. इन दोनों पॉइंट्स के बीच का डिस्टेंस भी 13 यूनिट्स होगा. ठीक है ना. तो यहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन लेने का रीज़न ये था कि जब स्लोप नेगेटिव होता है तो कॉस नेगेटिव होता है, साइन पॉजिटिव होता है. ऐसा नहीं कि आप किसी को भी नेगेटिव ले लें, किसी को भी पॉजिटिव ले लें. स्लोप इज नेगेटिव, साइन इज पॉजिटिव, कॉस इज नेगेटिव. ठीक है. लेट्स मूव अहेड. लेट्स ट्राई नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Let's try this question. Two adjacent vertices of square are 1, 2 and -2, 6. Then find the other two vertices. Let's put these points on the coordinate plane. Here we have point A having coordinates 1, 2 and point B having coordinates -2, 6. Now this is one side of the square. Now tell me how many squares can be constructed. ए बी जो है स्क्वायर का एक साइड है, तो इस साइड को लेके हम कितने स्क्वायर्स बना सकते हैं? ऑब्वियसली वी कैन कंस्ट्रक्ट 2 स्क्वायर्स, one on this side and one on this side. Okay. We have to find the coordinates of other vertices of the square. हमें पॉइंट्स C, D, C1, D1 के कोऑर्डिनेट्स निकालने हैं. कैसे निकालेंगे? How can we use parametric equation of straight line? Okay, now points D and D1 lie at distance AB from the point A. ठीक है ना? Here we have square, so all the sides are equal. So we can say that points D and D1 lie at same distance. The same distance is length of side of square from the point A. Okay. Now can we get the slope of the straight line? इस लाइन का हम स्लोप निकाल सकते हैं. Definitely yes. We can find a slope of AB. What is slope of AB? AB का स्लोप हो जाएगा 6 minus 2 upon -2 -1. This is -4 upon 3. Okay. So slope of AD is 3 upon 4 because AB and AD are perpendicular lines. Also, AB is equal to 1 minus -2, 3. 3 square is 9 plus 2 minus 6 minus 4 square is 16. So, AB is equal to 5 units. So, AD and AD1 are also 5 units. Okay. Now, points D and D1 lie at distance 5 units from point A. Okay, on the line whose slope is 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4 is tan theta, where theta is inclination of AD with positive x-axis. Okay, so we have cos theta is equal to 4 upon 5 and sin theta is equal to 3 upon 5. Okay. Now coordinates of point D will be x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin theta. Here I am using plus sign because point D is lying on the increasing side of abscissa and ordinate. Okay. So coordinates will be x1. x1 is 1. Okay. In fact, this point is x1 comma y1. So coordinates are 1 plus x1 plus r cos theta. Okay, here r is 5 together, comma y1 plus r sin theta. So coordinates of point D are 5 comma 5. Okay, and coordinates of point D1 will be, for point D1 we will use here minus sign. Okay, so coordinates will be 1 minus 4 minus 3 comma 2 minus 3 minus 1 together. Similarly, we can find coordinates of vertices C and C1. These two points also lie at distance 5 units from point minus 2 comma 6 on the line whose slope is 3 upon 4. इस line का slope क्या होगा? This line is parallel to this line, so its slope is 3 upon 4. So we will have same values of cos theta and sin theta. We have same value of r. Only values of x1 and y1 are changing. Okay. So coordinates of point C will be minus 2 plus 4 comma 6 plus 3. ठीक है, तो कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या हो जाएंगे? कोऑर्डिनेट्स हो जाएंगे 2 कॉमा 9. पॉइंट C1 के कोऑर्डिनेट्स के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पे माइनस साइन यूज करेंगे. सो कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ पॉइंट C1 आर minus 6 comma 3. ठीक है ना? सो वी हैव coordinates of remaining vertices of two possible squares. Hope you like this video. Cengage India has launched the new edition of our JEE Advanced Maths books. Please visit www.cengage.co.in to buy a copy. You can also buy the books from Amazon and Flipkart.